Number
18.
11.
Not in order.
Number 35, 36.
23.
40, 45.
27.
20?
7.
I think Amanda was saying.
Did we already see 35 and 36? Yeah,
35 is a yes, 36 is a yes.
I didn't even do those. Okay, 38. 41. 45.
45 is already up there, yeah.
Alright. Yeah,
Did
thinking.
you do 45? I just did
Okay, is that it?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, hold on, let me put it in numerical order, because this is going to bug me otherwise.
That is sad.
Bum, bum, bum.
10, 11, 16, 18, 20, 27. Oh, 23,
23.
sorry. 27.
35, 36. 40, 41.
Wait, 38,
Oh, there's no 38.
I'm just going with what you guys said.
40, 41, 45.
Oops. The rest of you guys, Thanksgiving was okay?
Yeah, no need to pick one.
I actually got to do stuff with people. Very
Hey,
fun.
that's a good day,
That
right?
never happens. Yeah,
When you call work.
that's work. No,
Wait,
I'm
18 we have to do?
18.
Huh?
I thought 18 we couldn't do.
Oh,
It's parametric.
Oh, it is?
So but I didn't know how to do parametric, so I really
okay,
don't know.
I'm going to go ahead and narrow this down. So you guys
Oh, no,
go ahead and
it's
check
artwork.
out your Scantron and your corrections. Can you take any of these?
I can take 35 or 40.
Yeah, I think 18's are going.
I can take-
It might be. I figured we'd narrow it down, and the ones we're still stuck on I'll look at, and then
Oh,
probably
okay.
some of them we can't do yet. So Amanda, you can do which ones?
35 or 40.
Okay, I'm going to give you 35 and 40. Haha!
Wow.
Okay, what else?
I can do
27 we couldn't do.
16.
16.
We can do none of that.
16 now, I just wanted to know why it is
Shoot.
18.
Amanda's got it.
Do we have to do, like, if we got it right, or can we just use the work that we got from the thing?
Put it up, because if you put it up, then we can look at it together.
Okay.
Do you have another one?
I guess I could do, 20
20.
and 23.
And 23, I'll give you both.
Let me see if I can
Jackie, what can you do?
That's my home.
Oh no, it's gone. Someone find something for Jackie to do.
Jackie do 45. No, not 45.
Not 45?
40, 38.
Okay, show me your test for a second. Hold on, that's me.
38.
48.
Which one am I
was
doing?
mine.
2023?
I can do
38.
If he can't do 38, I can do 38.
I can't do 23.
Jackie, we'll start by giving you 38. Huh?
I can't do 23. I lied. I can do 20.
Okay, take 20.
Yeah, I throughout this whole test, I was looking at it. I missed a lot of negatives.
Misty, can I
Which
erase this?
made me
one?
fail this test.
I can do 11, 10, and 11.
10 and 11.
Yeah. 11 I
Jackie,
only
can you
missed.
do 38?
11 I missed because I forgot to do how to
Gerardo, come on up.
formulas.
Jackie, come on up. Joyce, I'm pausing you. Yes, hi, welcome back for Thanksgiving, but work is going to be on the boards. All right, Joyce, I think Amanda sent pictures of almost all except number 10 we talked about a little bit more. So maybe you and I should talk a little bit on number 10 because he was messy. But otherwise, we're just going to talk about 2 more and then pretty much be done. Okay, what are you given in the graph?
A graph.
Of
F prime. Or B.
velocity,
which
good. And velocity is the derivative of position. Okay, so at the origin, what is that? Position, velocity, or acceleration?
Position.
Position. So I know that the object was at the origin at t equals 3. Okay, hold on. So that's right here, right? Okay. Return to the origin. What's going to have to happen? Well, first of all, what's happening after t equals 3?
It's going to the right, and then
How do you know it's moving to the right, or for how long?
because it's positive from 3 to 6.
Good. The area under is positive from 3 to 6, and positive displacement indicates if we're dealing with a left-right model. Yeah, we say moving right for t within 3 to 6. Then it's moving left.
Left from 6 to whatever.
We'll do, yeah,
Let's
6
give us
to
to 9.
8, 6 to 9. Okay. So what's going to have to happen if I have something at a point and then it has positive displacement and negative displacement? What's going to happen in order to have it return to the origin?
It's gotta be zero.
Whatever positive displacement it has to make up as it comes back, right? So the key to it all is saying, hey, how right does it go? That much. And that much is going to be a base of 1, 2, 3 and a height of 2.
Yeah.
So 3 times 2 is 6, and 6 cut in half, that's 3, right? So then how much does it need to make up in order to return to its original position?
3.
3. So I have to figure out at what time will it make it. That triangle definitely isn't going to work, right? That's 1 and 2. This triangle isn't going to work.
Why
Ooh,
not?
is it?
It will. Right? It's 4.
It will, because I'm going to have a base of 2
2.
and a height of 3, which is 6, and 6 cut in half is 3. So therefore that's going to be at time t equals 6, 7. 6.
7,
That's
8?
6, right?
No, because it goes down 8, -4.
4, 5, 6, 7.
Is it between 7
Oh, 8 is a little bit further, huh?
See?
Is 8 a little bit further if you like did it with
Because 8 is at -4.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't see that. Ooh. Okay, now I see it. But 7 doesn't work, so it has to be somewhere between where it's going to hit the 3. Technically, if we need to use like a rationale, we could make an equation of that line, couldn't we?
What's the equation at 5? What is it? It's 2 and 1? No.
Like the equation of the line, is that what you mean? Like
No,
the
it's,
piecewise?
at 5, what's the triangle?
At 5, that would be
No, that's.
a little bit past 2, I think.
Maybe.
Oh, that would be 2. It's so much different when you're looking at it straight on.
Oh, I see what happened.
That looks like 5, 2, right? What's the problem?
It says.
Because it says that A is the right answer.
Yeah.
Oh, I get it. It's because it moved negative at first, so you have to make up that,
But
that
it says
negative
at
displacement.
t equals 3. It's
Did I
at
have
the
the wrong
origin.
3? 3 is 0, right? So it stopped at 3?
But
Which
it
is
says
why
the
5
object
doesn't
was
make
at
sense.
the origin at t equals 3. So it started from a negative displacement, right?
Yeah.
Oh, what was the beginning?
I don't know, but the interval 0 to 9. But it says it was at the origin at t equals 3, right?
Yeah, so 3 is your initial condition, and so
Right.
it moves positively. Are you serious?
Wait.
It says, right? That doesn't make sense.
That
Wait,
doesn't
wait.
make sense. It should be E.
What if it returned to the origin at t equals 3?
It doesn't matter though, because it's at the origin here, so all of this is irrelevant. It started left of the origin, all this distance. It was at the origin at t equals 3. It returned to the origin. I can even set up an integral and show that with a piecewise function. Oh, what did I close it?
Close it up.
We should sue.
This thing is full of problems.
I can go up on my phone.
Well, the other one worked. It was our mistake about the domain. I didn't think about it being an integral, the function. Nope,
Still
nope, nope.
lost on that one.
What number is this? 36? Yeah. Why are the numbers so weird?
Why are these so hard?
Because he was. Wait, what?
All these problems. 35. Here we go.
Because
So,
practice books like
I
to
don't
make it
know
harder.
where he got the equation from.
You can make it piecewise from the lines, but I didn't think you
He
needed
made
to.
He made the equation. And then he did. Unless I'm looking at the wrong question. Oh, I think I am.
No, that's 36.
But I don't think AB. He didn't do partial fractions.
Yeah, he did. I don't know. That's the thing I was just like, huh? That doesn't make any sense.
Was that partial fractions for the original function?
There was
They
no
don't give
original
us an
function.
original function. They just give us the graph.
What on earth was he doing?
I'm telling you, this guy's crazy. Off his rocker. Majorly.
That looks like work for. Oh wait, his problems are off. Hold on, because 35 is a series problem.
I know.
So his 36 is 35, right? Because he was doing the 2, 3, 5, 6, 8.
But where did he get the equation?
I know. Where did he pull that from?
I think this is position. So 37.
You could integrate with another function.
He skipped ours. You should sue.
But doesn't he have 45 problems?
Yeah, he has like some extra problem added in. I don't know why or where.
That's really weird.
What if there's like an old version? What was 34? Was it a series problem?
34?
Oh, yeah. See, okay, 34, he has that one. 35, he has as a sequences and series problem. You can tell because of the summation. So his numbering is off. His problems are different for 35, 36. I have no idea why. But he has a series problem, and then he has a partial fraction problem. Okay, so ignore his.
So don't.
Ignore
so the
his.
answers for 35 and 36 are wrong then on the
Yeah.
spin drawing.
So 36 should have been E.
wrong.
Then what's 35?
36.
So then 35, greatest speed is
I put E.
is
35, I
the
put E.
steepest, right?
Is that wait, what?
Greatest speed is when it's
It's
absolute
C.
value. It's
I
at
thought it
8.
was C.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's at 8.
Yeah.
But it's speed?
You were thinking
But
acceleration.
it has to be negative and positive. Oh, it is.
You
No,
were thinking
negative and negative,
acceleration.
yeah. But speed is negative. It's decreasing to negative, right? Or positive and increasing.
Gosh.
Oh, you're thinking speed increasing or decreasing, but that doesn't matter. Well, it doesn't so much. You can think velocity is negative and acceleration is negative, so speed is increasing all the way up until 8. That's one way. But the other way is
16.
Absolute value. Yeah.
to think absolute value of the y values. This one's only 2-ish, whereas this one is 4-ish.
Okay.
Well, it is 4, sorry. Does that make sense? Sorry guys, change your scantrons, E and E.
Gosh. It's 16 right now.
What did we not get to? An
Why
example
not
from
both of them
section
still?
8.1 that is not in your homework or in your AP packet, so it's okay because it was just going to be a little extra. So, 8.1, we already covered the notes before break. We were done with 8.1, I think, in its entirety. We even worked on the AP packet a lot,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So all you guys need to do is finish the AP packet, and the homework was pretty easy cheesy. Sound good?
So what are we turning in all of it?
Oh, for the corrections, let's just get it tomorrow. Let's go over 45 tomorrow. Because 45 is like 8.1, so I'd rather just wait. Is that cool?
Ridiculous.
So shizzle my nizzle grizzle.
Do you guys know what's up for tomorrow?
8-1.
Joyce, if you like this
8.1,
video,
8.1.
like, leave a comment
Oh, we
in
were
the description
gonna
below.
orders today, and I forgot.
Wait, 8-1,
Subscribe
8-1,
to.
we have homework